To use your kid photo as a profile photo in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app. Swipe the screen to the right. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap profile. Enter your current screen lock, or you can use your biometric. Tap the pencil icon next to the profile you like to change its photo. Tap gallery. Select your kid photo. Here you can adjust the selected area and move it to make sure that the part of the photo that you want to use as a profile photo is selected. Tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, now the selected photo of your kid has been set as the profile photo. As a note, when you add multiple profiles to the Kids app, the profile photo and name will be displayed when you are opening the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.